Hi everyone and welcome to Module 4. We are almost halfway there. For this module we're getting into some more theory and I hope you like this text. I really love it, and other students in the past have also really enjoyed it and wanted to read more of it too. So there are 3 chapters and it's written in kind of narrative prose. So I think it's narrative prose, but it's also pretty technical. So I think it's a good mixture to kind of really get us into our objectives, which is developmental markers of early literacy achievement, and then thinking about how that's going to relate to your case study too. So you have your case study in the back of your mind with this. Got reviewing these pages there. Okay, so the big thing this week is our online interactions are going to be through a technology called VoiceThread. And let me show you about that, and then we'll go back to the deadlines. Okay, so what VoiceThread is, it's a way to record yourself, video, voice. You can even choose just voice if you don't want to do video. You can choose text, but I think you're really going to like the video format. A lot of people, myself included, when I first did this, were like, no, I don't want to do a video. But it actually is really easy and really cool, and it's great to see people and hear them talk. So basically what you're going to do is you'll post a thread, and then people will respond to it. Just like we did in our last discussion. So here it kind of tells you how to prepare for it. So you're going to choose 2 or 3 parts of the reading, the wolf reading, that kind of, again, it could resonate with you, confuse you, challenge you, and you're gonna want to note those. And like kind of in your text, you're gonna kind of have, I'm doing my hands here, you probably can't see them, kind of have your text handy. And then when you're going to talk about them, and you might want to read a quote and then tell us kind of what you thought. You are not expected to be the experts on this reading for this. You're just expected to relate to it. So you can ask questions like, hey, what do people think about this? Or I didn't get this part. I'll also pop in on VoiceThread as well, so you can ask me questions too, or if no one knows the answer to what you're asking, I'll pop in as well. This technology, sometimes people do have problems with it. So I'm going to kind of show you some troubleshooting things. Also, you can look at this too. This is from my tech person. And note that these tech problems do not excuse you from this discussion. So in the past, people have said, oh, I didn't get on, and then they just didn't do it. That's actually not going to work. So make sure you try to get on and get organized by Friday. And if you have problems, let me know so I can work with you over the weekend. Well, let me show you how you're going to do this. Okay, we're in groups, so you're going to find your group. There's 2 groups. And I'll just go to this, and whatever group you're in, you click on here. And what it's going to do before this happens, it's going to take you to a launch page. And it's really important that you don't click anything and that you just wait. So watch me, I will click, and then I'm just going to wait. So here's where you got to wait. Don't click on anything. Wait for the black screen, and then here we go. So then you're going to hear me. I'm going to turn myself off. You're going to hear me there. And I'm giving my response, and you can see the time here. It's just a minute. And I'm also kind of directing you, I'm prompting you as well in that, so that kind of the focus questions that I have are there. And then to leave your post, see how there's this little arrow here, or sorry, this plus sign here. Kind of hover over here, press plus, and then see these options. So this is if you wanted to leave a text comment. You could click on this. You could actually call in a comment. I haven't had anyone do that, so I'm not exactly sure how that works. You can just do an audio comment, or you can do the video. So I'm going to show you what it looks like to do. This is like uploading a file, I think. You can play around with that too. So you click on the video, and then it counts down. And then you can go ahead and start recording. So it's recording me right now. Then say I want to stop. It's going to upload it. And then I can see if I like it. Okay. Then it gives me an option to cancel it or to save it. I'm going to cancel that. And then you will see what's going to happen here. Okay, good, I didn't go. Is people's are going to start loading here. So you'll be able to click on different classmates and hear what they have to say. And then you can, in your response, because it's going to be a back and forth thing, is then you add another one kind of underneath that. And let's see what else. Oh, watch your time. Now, don't go more than about 5 minutes. In the past, sometimes people have gone on like 10 minutes. They've said really great things, but you know, people haven't listened to all of that. So limit your initial things to about 5 minutes, and then your responses can be more like a minute or so. So that's that there. So that's our VoiceThread. And again, I think you're really, really going to like it. Later in the course, you'll have a choice whether you can be another choice to use it. Okay. Your case study fieldwork notebook blogs, you're continuing on with those. Kind of this is the sort of the idea of where you are, but this note's important. And I have left comments on some folks who've got some stuff up there, and I'll leave some more. So I'll continue to kind of leave comments and make sure you check those. And again, sometimes I'll refer you to other people. So feel free to look at what everyone is doing. That's kind of the idea. As you can imagine, the time in the VoiceThread is really critical. So the idea is you're going to finish this reading by Thursday. It's open now, but you can start posting on Thursday. Actually, you can post early if you want to. But by Friday night, like midnight, make sure you've done your first one. And then on Saturday, start responding. And I'll go in on Saturday morning and just kind of make sure everyone's in there. If I haven't seen you, I'm going to send you an email. Continue the discussion here, and you're going to finish it there. So then the parameters or your kind of your goals are to initial response and then follow-up responses. And I think I say up here, respond to at least one person's VoiceThread. And then you'll want to go back in and respond to things that they're asking you. So again, continue this weekend. And then this is one of the last times in this course that you're going to have this kind of intense discussion. And I think you remember I also said the course was front-loaded in terms of work and reading. So again, just go for it here because it's going to get easier after this. I think that's all I need to tell you. So good luck, and I look forward to hearing what you have to say about this. Thank you.